the tomato seeds did sprout, even though they came from salsa. I mean, they're still seeds. And yeah, okay, cool. Oh, very nice. Oh, looks like it's getting a lot of water in one side. Okay, let's do it together. Oh. So right here we have some spearmint. This is, my dad had planted this. There's some other spearmint around the yard. Oh, not too close to the plant, sweetie. Mirebella's washing her hands. I'm so proud of her. She is 20 months here, and she likes to just play with... Oh, the hippo? It's from the dollar store. I don't know. It needs like a little screw to open it so I can put batteries in it now. It would blow bubbles. And she has another bubble blower though. I think it's so cute that she's able to sit at the sink, that she's still around that size and weight. I know she's not going to always be able to do that. So, yeah. Yeah, I was standing right next to her and behind her and just holding on to her. So she's okay here. Yeah, usually when we're washing our hands, we just go to the bathroom. And sometimes she likes to just wash her feet too here when she's washing her hands. And yeah, I just clear out the sink, make sure there's hardly anything in there, that everything's safe in the sink. Who likes playing with water? Getting her hands wet, feet wet. Cold water. Huh? Is it you, Mirabella? Who likes playing with the water? So here is the potting mix that I've been using to grow my plants, and it seems to be going pretty well. Okay, so this is the plant food. I think this is fertilizer. No, yeah, I don't know for sure, but I think it is. And online it says if you don't start feeding them within 2-3 weeks, which it says on here to start giving them, just put a tablespoon in a gallon, it says, or whatever the instructions say, and then water them with it. So I'm gonna do that for, I guess, I don't know if I'll do it all the plants, but definitely the squash plant. So okay, so I added it. Now it's a blue color. I'm gonna go give it to some plants. So here's where I planted one of the squash plants. It looked a little wiltier earlier, interestingly, but I made sure to only water not the leaves. I know not to do that, but I was doing that a little bit with the plants lately because we've been getting up earlier, but I just made sure to water, you know, the ground around it, not the leaves. And it's not as wilty, so I guess it's doing better, but I'll just go ahead and give it a little bit of this stuff. I know it's okay now. It's not going to get any sun. It's not going to bother it, I don't think, with the water. And then I'll just go ahead and give this one some. I don't know how much to give it, but I already watered it, so it'll get watered tomorrow. So, yeah, so I've got some other plants in here. There's some little tea roses or whatever they are. They've been here a long time. We've got some roses in here other than that. But... Are you excited about Gilroy Gardens? Oh, it is? The date, 8/8/8. Or you mean 8/8/18?
Yeah.
Is that a lucky number?
Yeah.
You want to explain how it's lucky?
Because it's perfectly proportionate.
Do you find it lucky in any other way?
It's pretty perfect symmetry.
Yeah, but that number 8.
You cut it in half, it's perfect 0.
But didn't you say like certain people they like that number?
Turn it 2 sideways, it's infinity.
They try and get those addresses, like home addresses and maybe phone numbers, and they like the number 8 itself.
Yep. Perfect symmetry brings good luck.
You want mama milk? Oh, when we get there. Yeah. You excited? Finally gonna go on one of these little horses? You ready to go on a horsey for yourself? It's a caterpillar. Apple. Goes up and down. Feel interesting? What do you think of it? She wants to go to the playground right next to this. Is that what you want to do? So right here, we mostly have sprouted zinnia seeds, those flowers. That was my passport you were looking at. Now you're just playing with the giant bear. The giant bear, huh? No, don't try to climb giant bear. You just end up pulling them off the chair. Okay. Is it because I moved the camera? That's because when the light comes in, it's hard to see you. What, you're a vlogger?